Come on.
Okay. So we're going to install the Roush axle back exhaust, and we're going to do the resonator delete, which is right there. And we're putting in the H pipe from Lethal Performance. And what we're going to do is we're going to unclamp the factory clamps. That's the front side of the resonator. Then we're going to drop the whole exhaust back and out, make our marks. We're going to cut, then we're going to loosely fit them together before we install it back under the car. Alright, so we actually had to drop the hangers on the back here and here because we couldn't get the factory clamps off. They're actually still on the other side of the car right now. So we just dropped those and then slid it on out once we got these off, which wasn't too bad. Now we're going to make our measurements and do some cutting. Alright, so here on the Roush axle back, we're just lining up to show that we actually have to make a line right here on the inside of the curve, right where it starts to straighten out. Make a line to your cut and make sure that this is going to line up with down below, which actually looks pretty good. And on your resonator delete, you line up the backs here so they're all lined up, and you come here and you make a line on both sides to where you're going to make your cut. Lethal Performance gives you these clamps that will come over here to slide on, and then you use the factory clamps for the front. And per the instructions, which this looks really good, it tells you to go from the inside of the weld, which I'm on the inside of the weld, and you mark out 7 inches, so that looks right on. So we'll start the cuts and get this together. Alright, so we got this put together, and it's not all the way tight on, but it's on pretty snug. And we're going to go ahead and throw this in and then make the couple adjustments and then tighten her down. The tips themselves, actually, they didn't come black powder coated. They come chrome. I went to a local Tacoma shop here, and they powder coated the tips for 85 bucks, so it wasn't too bad. Alright, so here they're going to go in the car.